Includes rod tips. UV-resistant rod cement. Silver finish. The Eagle Claw SWTAEC Saltwater Rod Tip Kit includes rod tips and UV protection rod cement. Top reviews from the United States. Easy fix for an older rod. The pack of 3 tips, with what amounts to hot glue, was a good solution for me, and it was very reasonably priced. I had read the reviews about size and double-checked to see if one of these would fit my rod, a 10 or 11-foot surfing rod. The largest tip fit well. It shouldn't be too hard to check the end of your rod to see what its diameter is. You should be sure the tip you want to use is larger. Installing the tip was easy, and there was nothing tricky about it.